Hello, this is Ricky, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the Galaxy Buds Pro 4, and we're going to go ahead and put one of Samsung's cases on there too, and that is the Slim Magnet case. So let me know, which one are you buying, if you're buying any of them, or what color would you pick out of each of them? Let me know in the comment section. All right guys, so let's unbox these. We have the Galaxy S26 Ultra and we have it in the violet color. So this is a really subtle violet color that if you have it in front of you, it's kind of darkish gray, but then as soon as you get it in the light, that's when you really see that violet color more. So very subtle. The edge is really more of the violet. You can definitely clearly see that, which I do like to see. And then we will start peeling this and have this start up. And while this starts up, the rest of the box is just going to be your paperwork. I have a SIM card in here, and then you have your USB cable. And that's it. And now we're going to unbox the Buds 4 Pro. Really excited about these headphones. When I did test them out at the event, they sounded absolutely amazing, and the noise canceling was really good. So I'm very curious. You know, the main thing for me is how is the call quality going to be, because that is a thing that I test out more than anything. We will have our Starbucks test, so subscribe for that to see if these can actually pass the Starbucks test, which the AirPods did not. So overall, this looks just like I remember. I love this blade curve look that they have going on, and the press is really good on them too. I do like that. So very excited to use these. I love the black color, so very excited I got that one. And yeah, really beautiful. Now this case is, my guess is it's the least expensive kind of case because it doesn't feel as good or premium. It's not the silicone one, and it's definitely not the best one, which I would say is probably the carbon magnetic case. But this is just slim, and you can see it's, again, just kind of like plastic to put on top and keep it extremely thin. So if you want to keep it extremely thin, that's what this is good for. It still does have a little bit of protection towards the front, but not too much. You see that in the front, you have a little bit of protection, but not as much as I would probably like. But again, if you want to have magnets on the back and keep it slim, that's the case to get. But yeah, guys, these are the two new Samsung products. Honestly, I cannot wait to test these out tonight more so than anything else. I'm going to test these on the plane, and I'm going to test this tonight to get some low light photography. Really cannot wait. I am super excited to actually see how this quality is, especially that main camera sensor. Very excited for it. Follow to check out how the camera comparisons go down below. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been Ricky, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.